Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Nate here, back at you with another review video. And today we are going to be taking a look at a pretty special product from a company called Durgod. This is the K320, and although it may seem to be just an average mechanical keyboard, for under $100, you can't beat the extreme quality it offers. Big thanks to Durgod for sending this product out for me to review. Compared to the other keyboards I own, this one is substantially heavier. The culprit for that weight is mostly due to the metal accents all throughout the K320. The plate behind the keys is completely made out of metal, giving the keyboard a sturdy and premium feel. Now, some parts in this keyboard are still made out of plastic, but it was nice to see some quality metallic materials used in the construction of this keyboard. On the right side of the K320, above the arrow keys, there are 4 indicator lights for caps lock, scroll lock, Windows key lock, and custom profile. Underneath the keyboard, you will find cable routes leading to either the left, right, or center, as well as the USB Type-C port and height adjusters. I was really excited to see USB Type-C on this keyboard, not only because it is less likely to break than micro USB, but also because it's compatible with the growing amount of Type-C devices out there. In the box, Durgod does provide both a Type-C to Type-C cable and a Type-C to regular USB cable, but unfortunately the Type-C cable is far too short to be used with your computer. This could be a huge downside for people who only want to use USB Type-C, especially if they have a computer that solely has Type-C ports, which is, yeah, the MacBook Pro. I know, dongle life. The version of the K320 that I got has Cherry MX Silver switches, which are much quieter compared to MX Blues, but still offer a very tactile feel. No matter what version of Cherry MX you get, the attention to detail and precise response is definitely evident. I'm really glad that Durgod decided to use Cherry MX switches in the K320 because for under $100, it really adds the cherry on top, no pun intended. Now, if you have high quality switches, you need to have high quality keycaps as well. Thankfully, Durgod provides you with some very well-built PBT keycaps, which is probably one of the most high-end keycaps you can get, and in my opinion, they fit great with my setup. But if you want a different look, you can always swap them out for more colorful or unique variants. With only 87 keys, the K320 does lack a number pad, which I know for some people is a huge deal, but hopefully the inclusion of function keys can make up for that loss. Typing on the K320 is a breeze. In my opinion, it's just the right size, being both big enough to include all the keys I need for daily use, but also small enough so that it doesn't take a huge hunk of desk real estate. To end this review off, I'm going to be giving you guys a sound test of this keyboard, so you can decide for yourself whether or not to get the quieter silver MX switches or the much louder blue or brown switches. It really just depends on what level of noise your coworkers or family can handle. The Durgod K320 is a well thought out and well designed keyboard. It doesn't have a lot of crazy features, but it is a beast when it comes to build quality. Alright guys, that's it for this video. If you did like it, please hit the like button down below. Subscribe to the channel because I'm trying to hit 1K subscribers very soon. And also leave some feedback for me in the comment section down below. And as always guys, I am Nate with EverydayTechnology, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.